Alright, so this is the circuit. If I push the reset button, the light comes on. Should blink twice. Alright, so it blinks twice. If I unplug it and plug it back in, I push the reset button, nothing happens. But if I take the soldering iron and I hit a couple of these traces, voila, it starts working again. Push the button, it should blink, and then blink twice. So the only thing that I'm doing is applying heat to those 4 pins, which now have enormous solder blobs on them. On the other side of that card, capacitor checks out, the resistors check out. I don't know what that chip is supposed to do, and I don't know what the round thing is supposed to do. The round thing that isn't a capacitor. And applying solder to, or applying heat to either side of the board seems to work.